Why are IT departments leaving Atlassian for KanBo On-Premises solution? Organizations and companies that operate on a large scale accumulate, manage, and process confidential and very sensitive information. IT departments of such organizations have to bear the burden of managing enterprise services as well as licenses for thousands of users and employees. The ideal strategy to maintain that confidential data is not to share it with any third party, regardless of how many strict internal security regulations they have. That's exactly why it's highly unlikely that the IT departments will migrate to cloud-based solutions. After Atlassian's announcement of discontinuing the Jira server, those departments will have to find an alternative with an on-premises deployment. So let's talk about KanBo as the best Jira alternative for on-premises deployment. Since large organizations have to comply with both internal and external standards, they prefer to keep the operations within the comfort of their own hardware infrastructure and firewall. They forgone some features and capabilities in favor of security. With KanBo, you don't have to make that compromise. You get the security of on-premises deployment and the innovation of cloud-based apps. KanBo On-Premises software is a versatile solution that comes with a highly configurable variant. Relying on KanBo software, your IT department gets the ability to manage and streamline business processes just like Jira Server. However, at the same time, it can deploy it with the security of on-premises. So why deploy KanBo on-premises in IT departments of large organizations? One of the main advantages of KanBo on-premises is that when an IT department in large organization deploys it, it can streamline and improve its own performance and boost productivity and efficiency. Since KanBo software is built to support the unique needs of different types of users, IT departments can implement it to replicate the performance, systems, and processes of the Jira server. What's more, the biggest relief for IT departments and professionals is that they don't have to move to the cloud. With the on-premises installation of KanBo software, IT departments open up a wide variety of opportunities for themselves. Instead of having to deal with technical issues and concerns, IT professionals can now spend their time on innovation and strategic operations. This means that the IT department in the organization can focus on tasks that really matter. Another benefit of KanBo On-Premises is complete control over data. End users have the option to find more information and details about their services, initiatives, projects, and tasks through KanBo. Regardless of your deployment's nature, the IT department of the organization has complete control over the KanBo software. It allows them to change, add, and delete users, create new directories, and enable new roles for the users. Don't forget that the data is never shared with the third party, even KanBo. All the processing and storage is done on-premises. The primary objective of KanBo On-Premises is to enable purpose-driven organizations to optimize their work management. That's what makes it a complete replacement for Jira Server. With the on-premises deployment of KanBo, the IT department has the ability to fully control its data, support IT services and applications, and spend more time on strategic objectives. In a large number of organizations, IT departments are much closer to daily operations and the people who have a crucial role in an organization's success. That gives IT departments the leverage to use KanBo software as the Jira alternative, at the same time customizing it to meet the internal enterprise requirements. Now we can see that KanBo emerges as a worthy alternative for Jira Server with the option of on-premises deployment. Since it's an existing solution that has been continuously updated for years, IT departments can quickly implement and set KanBo on-premises. Then they can continue their operations without compromising on the functionality. Every employee of the IT department has an important role to fulfill. They are responsible for a wide range of system functionalities, including administration, technical support, communication, programming, company website, application development, and much, much more. With KanBo On-Premises, IT department employees in enterprises can do their job the right way. They don't have to worry about breaking the system and disrupting the whole department. After KanBo deployment, the IT department will have much more control over the IT infrastructure and a secure environment.